Welcome back, ladies. We're analyzing all the Sound and Fury 2022 mosh pits. I'm Dan Frampton, and today is all about anxious. I'm not feeling particularly anxious, but I am obsessed with anxious. They're kind of this hardcore flavored emo band that connect with a wide variety of slammers. Like the Jocks, the hardcore kids, the emo boys, and the pop punkers. If you want to feel feelings while you're slamming, then Anxious is the band for you. Low roll front flip! It's 3:30 in the afternoon on day one of a 2-day 5,000 attendee hardcore festival. The slammers came hyped, and they started to slam their little hearts out as soon as they heard that bell ring. Tope, plancha, lateral stingray, elbow drop, an even bigger elbow drop. Tope con Hero making Mysterio blush. One slam after another. High caliber dives here from legitimate mosh pit professionals. Malfunction at the junction. Trio topes, très spectaculaire. It's Luigi. Happy Camper still roughing it. Bowling Goon throws a strike. Crucifix Tope adds style and class. Or you can just totally wing it and enter a no-catch zone. But I highly suggest style. An amazing Tope con Hero. It's Slamantha. And Hitchhiker Carl. They're going to be starting their own podcast as we see non-stop movement. And people said this was the cool down band. They didn't tell her that. Or that huge sea of slammers that you see gathered in front of the stage. Red Tiger's always gonna full send. But I love to see a nice vibe dive.
Everybody having a good time?
Everybody's having a good time today.
Make some noise for military gun!
Anxious is mad over with the slammers. Everybody wants to throw their body around like a bag of dirty laundry. Not many jumping off the top rope though. So I guess this is what a cool down set looks like at Sound and Fury 2022. We're still getting non-stop attacks. And a huge pop punk power pogo. I don't know if you can actually tell these guys that this is the cool down band when they're charging up finishers like this. And unlocking their inner potential to achieve the dives of their dreams. Adding snap rotations for style, or just tossing your basic mean forearm. Out there, you can feel like a Jesus Christ superstar. You can get addicted to a good spiral. There's no rehab for that. Meteora! Sandwich Tope, totally mortifying. In a country with no universal health care and legal access to firearms, you gotta be a particular type of person to risk it all. For mosh pit glory. Supreme athleticism is rewarded with glory. And that taste of glory can inspire you to enhance your slam. Christ-like crucifixion senton! And you can two-step your way up that slam ladder. The confidence and commitment here is main event level slamming. Oh, we're talking about main event slams, are we? The championship may not be on the line here. It is just pure passion pushing this pit forward. We get a head walk in the foreground and tag team elbow drops in the background. I can't keep up with all these slams. Huge hype train. Clunky and clumsy belly flop. Bicycle kick style head walk. Bodies everywhere. Grizzled vet with an experience dive. Hostile thief with a backpack full of everybody else's stuff. No jump tope, it's more like a nap time slam. Killer Courtney gets big impact off of this one. Swimming with the fishes tope. Psychedelic acid drop. Back elbow drop, nice hybrid slam. Massive front flip senton.
Gotta get more both guitars.
Double splash. Around the world leg drop. Raging Ragdoll. 2015 Seth Rollins stepped through the portal. Yes, oh my God, yes, finally from the top. New Metal Dreads guy pops on a bucket hat to put a hat on top of a hat on top of a hat on top of a hat. That's too many hats. Shoulder tackle. Super suicida. We're doing the insane gulch set next, so you gotta subscribe with the notifications on so you get notified when that episode drops.